To most companies, they think doing SDG projects, focusing on reducing carbon dioxide, greenhouse gases, these qualify them to be the ESG companies. Unfortunately, this is not the right measure, the right criteria. To be ESG compliant, you need to be in totality. Your entire company is on this ESG mindset, because only when you are on this ESG mindset, you run your company organically ESG. You can still hire the third party to do the sustainability reports or to do any SDG related projects. The difference is you understand ESG. You have the ESG mindset to talk to these people. You know how to make strategic decisions thinking when they ask you for decision, when they make suggestions. You can ask critical and profound questions to achieve excellence. You will provide ESG leadership to all the people in your organization. Do you see the difference? Now, I want to talk about a scenario within your company. As a leader, you call for a meeting to discuss on ESG related projects. But in the meeting, some people are on logical thinking mindset. Some people are feeling driven, personal driven. You don't have a common ground. Do you think the communication, the meeting can be effective? Not to mention efficient. When all of you have the same mindset, it means you guys can talk about this issue on the same page. The communication can certainly be effective and efficient. The discussion, the brainstorming will be effective. I want to say this. In reality, people take action might not based on right or wrong, good or bad. It is about what they want at this moment, what they see and what they want at this moment. It all boils down to who you are as a leader. Are you a pioneer? Are you a driver? Most people prefer to wait and see. Most people think they still have time. Nonetheless, I am motivated because they agree with me. They need this mindset. They agree with what I've seen, what I am doing, what I am promoting is great for the world. Therefore, I will not give up. I will continue to promote the clarity of this ESG mindset. If you see my point, and if you are a driver or pioneer, and if you are someone who pioneer and drive, come to my class. Learn this ESG integration mindset and be the testimony. Pioneers, drivers, where are you? Hope to see you in my class.